Zhengzhou Weiwei Machinery Co. Limited. More than 30 years of production experience, professional machinery manufacturer of agriculture, forestry, and animal husbandry. Chaff cutter is mainly used for cutting green and dry crop straws, cutting tuber plant and forage grasses such as corn straws and rice straws. It is a good helper for family raising of cattle, sheep, horses, deer, and other animals. This series of chaff cutter is mainly used for cutting the fresh and hay grass, green or dry corn straw, rice straw, and other stalks. Apply for livestock breeding industry grasses feed processing for feed the cattle, sheep, horse, deer, and other animals. Cutting effects more finer and the cutting length can be adjusted easily. Straw crusher is used for cutting and crushing the corn straws, bean straws, cotton straws, pasture, and many other crop straws, twigs, tea stems, and grape twigs. It is applicable for ranches and specialized feeding households. Compared with other type of feed crusher, the crushing effect will be finer. Chaff cutter machine is used for cutting wet or dry corn straws, rice straws, and other crop straws as well as pastures, and applicable to cattle farm or sheep farm. There are multiple power choices such as motors, diesel engines, and tractors, so chaff cutter machine is especially suitable for regions in lack of power. The wood hammer mill machine is used for chipping the wood, logs, branches, and the edges of board. The chips can be widely used for the cultivation of edible mushroom, MDF production, sawdust board. It is also ideal equipment of manufacturing the biomass burning pellet. The wood chipper machine is used for cutting wood, logs, branches, and bamboo for the production power plant, paper-making front processes, particle board, MFB, and other industrial front processes production preparing work. Multifunctional wood grinder sawdust machine can crush wood materials, crush grain, feed, corn cob, bamboo for charcoal plants, artificial board factory, paper mills, incense factory, animal feed factory. Wood shaving machine can chip wood into shaving and used in animals' bedding, special packing, particle board plant, paper pulp raw materials, and fragile goods transportation. Professional technical team, and strong factory strength to provide you with the best quality service. Please feel free to contact us at any time. Our contacts: email admin@weiweimachinery.com, telephone 860-371-6328-3021, mobile phone 86-1393-908-4108.